just arrived here in my stateroom here for the next couple of days here on deck 7. I'm in room 7041. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert my key card here. It's just like a hotel room. And open the door for the first time, and it's actually a pretty decent sized room here. So there's only 6 or 8 balconies on this entire ship, so the vast majority of these rooms either are these portholes like you see here, or they're interior cabins. I've got a porthole, which is fine for me. I'm not going to spend much time in here over the next couple of days, but you can see it's all got this Caribbean theming and vibes, so real chill. Another cool thing here is you can see like the wallpaper here is actually a map of the Caribbean. So we're just here in West Palm Beach, and we're going to make our way out to the Grand Bahamas, Freeport, a very short trip out and back over the next couple of days. We've got a decent sized television here for use in space. I doubt I'll be using that at all. Just thinking about it, one other thing pretty important for everybody to know, especially if you're a techie like me, is what are the plugs like in the room? Some cruise ships, the one I just got off, there was only 2 plugs for the whole room. So let's see what we have here. So you can see here, they've got to the left of the mirror, this is a 220 volt plug. It's got a couple of USB ports as well, type A and USB type C. It's always helpful on cruises to bring something to European adapter because it gives you the option of more plugs. And then you can see down here you've got your 110 volt down here for US plugs, and then you've got another 220 there. So got a switch here for the mirror, turns the light on. So it looks like we've got one plug over here plus a USB type A port as well. So US plug options, because this wasn't always a ship based out of the US. It used to be a Costa ship based out of Italy. But you can see here on the mirror, you've got this little desk here. So I'll show you guys what we have here. The TV remote, sign to put up if you want your room service. Speaking of room service, here's the breakfast room service menu. Some people really enjoy that on cruises. You got a pencil and pad, some tissues. Then over here we've got a couple bottles of water as well as a bottle of red wine. So just a note there that is not complimentary. The bottles of water are $4.95 per bottle, and that wine is $29.95. So looks like if you buy a 6-pack, you can save some money on the water, but I will not be drinking that much water, so it doesn't matter. You've got an ice bucket here. I don't know how you get the ice. I'm guessing from your stateroom attendant. And below here, looks like this is probably a mini fridge. It is. All right, so you got a small mini fridge here to keep things cool. You've got some drawers down here. Looks like there should be a hairdryer in this one. There's not a hairdryer in this one, but there is a Bible. I don't know if we have a hairdryer or not, but I'll be honest, I don't have enough hair to even worry about a hairdryer. Up above here, looks like we've got a mini safe. It's big enough to store your wallets, some money, valuables, passports, stuff of that nature. And then we've got life jackets up there. So those are important. If something were to happen, you're going to want to know where those are. Over here, we've got a wardrobe. So we'll see how big this space is. We've got a couple of bathrobes in here. If you're the type that likes to lounge in a bathrobe, it's nice to know that you've got an option for that. A little note saying you're free to use that as a guest, but if you bring it home, you're going to be charged for it. Looks like on this side, we've got some more drawers here at the bottom. A price list if you would like them to do any laundry on a 2-day sale. I doubt many people take advantage of that, but it's an option. Some hangers here. Here's our climate control. I'll say one of the first things I noticed upon walking in the room is it's nice and cool in here. Sometimes you walk into a room and they're hot until you get that AC running, but the AC is running and it feels great in here already. So I really appreciate that. Then you got your main switches. Looks like that one's there for the closet, and then this one's for the entire room. Hey y'all. If this video has been helpful for you, if you'd please take a quick moment to like and subscribe, it would mean the absolute world to me as I get started on this YouTube journey. With that out of the way, let's get back to it. Then over here on the opposite side, this is a sliding door as well that goes to the bathroom. All right, bathroom's tight quarters. I'll do my best to give you guys a feel for what it's like. See in here, you've got a very small shower. If you're a full-sized American like me, probably gonna wish I was a little bit bigger, but it does come with two toiletries. You've got shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner, so it's good to know that those are included. A note saying to caution, test the temperature of the water before you jump in. Shower head, got a shower curtain here. I'll be honest, that is gonna be a tight fit. Fortunately, I've only got to take a couple showers in here, so it won't be that big of a deal, but got your toilet. Then over here on the other side, you can see you've got trash can under the sink. You got some bath towels. Got a nice big mirror here. Got a bar of soap and some glasses and washcloths. Basic sink, kind of looks more like a kitchen sink than it does a bathroom sink, but functionally wise, that'll do the job. A full-size mirror here for those of you that want to make sure you look good before you head out in the main public spaces. That's it. So this is a nice stateroom. There's nothing over the top luxurious or anything like that, but I don't think that's why you book a $99 cruise that goes out for 2 days. I think you're here to have fun, not to impress anybody. So it does have a room phone here, so if you need to order some pizza or talk to reception or something like that, you've got an option. So that's it, guys. I'm going to enjoy this over the next couple of days. I'm going to share with you guys all sorts of things as we go along. And for me, this is going to be a Sunday through Tuesday sailing. So I'm going to make the most of the very limited amount of time we have here on the ship over the next couple of days. And I'm going to share as much of this as I can with all of you as you watch this adventure here on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise.